Hey everyone, welcome to Fixsoft. In this video we'll walk through how to set up Java 25 in Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. First we will install Java 25, then VS Code. After that we will connect Java with VS Code, and at last we will run our first Java program. So without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Oracle Java. Click the official Oracle Java website. Here, click on the Download Java button. Scroll down and you will see both Java 25 and 21 versions. Select the JDK 25. You will see different operating systems. Choose Windows. Then select the exe installer. It's about 182 MB. Click on the link to start the downloading. Once it finishes downloading, right-click the file and open it. The setup window appears. Click Next. Keep the default installation path and continue. Wait for the installation to finish. When installation finishes, close the window. Now we'll set the Java path. Go to UC drive. Then Program Files. Now open the Java folder. Then open JDK 25. Go into the bin folder. Copy the path from the address bar. Now open the Start menu and search for environment variables. Click Edit the system environment variables. Open Environment Variables. Select Path under System Variables. Add a new entry and paste the path you copied. Click OK on all windows to save. Now let's verify the installation. Open the Start menu. Type CMD and open the command prompt. Here write this command and press Enter. You should now see Java version here. It means Java 25 installed correctly. Now go back to your browser and search for VS Code. Click the official site code.visualstudio.com. Select Download for Windows. A new window will open and your setup file will start downloading in few seconds. When it finishes downloading, right-click and open it. Accept the agreement and continue with the default settings. If you want, check the box to create a desktop icon. Click Install. When it's done, click Finish. Now it's time to connect Java with VS Code. We need Microsoft's Java pack for VS Code. Open your browser. Search for Java on VS Code. Open the first link from Microsoft. Scroll down until you see Coding Pack for Java, Windows, and download it. Open the installer once it downloads. Click Next. It will detect the Java and VS Code versions we installed earlier. Click Install to add the Java extensions and tools to VS Code. When the setup finishes, hit Finish. VS Code may refresh itself here, so just let it reopen. In VS Code, open the Explorer panel and click Open Folder. Create a new folder on your desktop named Fixsoft Project and open it. Right-click inside the folder and create a new file named demo.java. Now add a simple Java program. Make sure the class name and file name match. Now save the file. Open the terminal in VS Code by selecting Terminal and then New Terminal. First, compile the program, javac demo.java. If that runs without errors, run the program by entering Java demo. You should see the output printed in the terminal. And that's it. You've now set up Java 25 in VS Code and run your first program.